Up YouTube, do you want to know what one of the best ways to make money is? No, it's not by being an affiliate marketer, even though that's great money. It's actually working with local businesses. And I've got something super special for you in my review of Stomperr. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora. Well, you know what it is, pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people that can pull one off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, then you probably don't know that I review software and products in order to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
But this is good stuff. Pay attention. It's really good. I just tested it. I like it. Okay, seriously. He annoys me the crap out of me. Seriously, he does. He does it every time. Anyway, if he's working, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I mean, you see, Liz, I love Liz. You know, she's such a sweetheart. I just started watching 30 Rock again, and she's such a sweetheart in the show. You know, poor Liz. She gets her show taken over by that evil guy from GE. Whatever. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay. We are on the sales page for Stomperr. No, it has nothing whatsoever to do with stomping elephants, so just forget about that. I don't know why there's an elephant. Anyway, whatever. But seriously, I don't think it's an elephant. It's a rhino or something. I'm not sure. So Stomperr. Basically, this is all about making money from local businesses. Now, why do I love local business? I actually got my start making money online through local businesses in a product that I created called Local Video Jackpot. It was my very first product, and I love local business because, frankly, a local business, they're not interested in doing things online. They don't want to know about it. Yeah, they have a website, maybe. It's usually pretty crappy looking. Bart, stay away. Seriously. Anyway, but seriously, it usually looks pretty crappy, these websites. They're not really all that exciting. They're not well done, and they're often very poorly made. And you can make a lot of money from them. I actually made a lot of money doing it back in the day when I started out. And what I'm actually going to give you as my custom bonus is going to be my very own local video jackpot, which is going to teach you exactly how to do this. But I'm also going to add something else in, because I know some people already have a copy of it. So I'm going to add in something else. I'm also going to give you 5 brand new videos to use with Local Video Jackpot that you can actually go ahead and sell to these businesses that you're going to find here inside of the Stomperr software. I'm going to show you how it works in just a minute. If you've purchased local video, if you got it for free, then you're going to get the extra videos anyway. Okay, but if you happen to have purchased Local Video Jackpot, what you can do is go into Warrior Plus, grab your receipt from Warrior Plus, showing you that you actually paid for it. If you didn't pay for it, you're going to get the free videos. Okay, and if you happen to already have it, you're still going to need free videos, which I think is a pretty nice thing. I'm also going to give you 5 different bonuses that Brandon is letting me give you, and I'll probably throw in a couple of other things as well. But if you already paid for it, I want to give you something else, because I recognize that you paid for it, other people didn't pay for it. So I want to give you something even better. I'm actually going to give you my very own SEO explosion software, which is coming out probably sometime in June. This software is a really great software, which can be used perfectly together with Stomperr. But it's only going to be for people who paid for a Local Video Jackpot. If you already have it, but you got it for free, then, you know, look, fair is fair. You got it for free already. You're getting more stuff for free with it, with the purchase from me of Stomperr. But the people who actually paid me for it, I do want to be fair to you guys who paid for it and give you something a little bit more because of the fact that you did pay for it. So if you did pay for it, you can send me the receipt and you'll get a copy of SEO Explosion. Everybody else will also get 5 explainer videos. They're going to be live, ready to go inside of the bonus stock when you pick up Stomperr from me. Okay, now I do want to show you how the software works. It's really, really easy to use. Okay, let's go here. This is the members area. Very, very simple to use the software. And basically what it's going to do is like this. It's designed to find websites of local businesses that may need your services. And what's nice, by the way, and what works so well with Local Video Jackpot, there's actually a module in Local Video Jackpot where I talk about testing for speed and other things that a local business might actually need done. So when you go to Local Video Jackpot, you're going to have a leg up on everybody else who picks up Stomperr. Other people are not going to get my training. They're not going to get the extra videos you can use as an extra thing to sell to your local business customers. Okay, so it's a really cool thing. And if you pick up any upgrade, I'm also going to give you my 10 local business websites that were custom designed specifically to match the videos in Local Video Jackpot. These are high-end websites. They're not the cheap, crappy stuff you get for $5 on Fiverr. These things are websites that took me hours and hours to build because I custom built them based on actual websites. So they actually have real content in them that actual businesses are going to want. So they're really, really nice websites. You're going to get all 10 of those together with my training on how to make custom videos if you pick up any upgrade of Stomperr. Now, the way the software works is like this. It's actually really, really easy to use.
That was easy.
Well, it's not quite stable as easy, but it's easy enough. Anyway, so here you go. So let's say, for example, I'm looking for a plumber. Okay, and we are actually planning this summer to move back to the States, and we've been thinking about the Pocono Mountains area. One of the towns we've been looking at is a small town called Tobyhanna. It's about 20 minutes outside of Scranton, Pennsylvania, if you're familiar with the area. If not, don't worry about it because you're probably not going to be visiting me. I'm not going to be putting my address up, although some of you may find it anyway, whatever. Anyway, bottom line, let's say I'm looking for a plumber in my new hometown of Tobyhanna, assuming you actually do move to Tobyhanna. So you can see that once I put in the word Tobyhanna, it's automatically finding Pennsylvania. I can just put that in and click search. And now what it's going to do for me is like this. It's going to search for plumbers in Tobyhanna. And what's actually going to give me is results not just of the plumbers. It's going to first of all search for email addresses, so any contact information that it can find in order to contact people there. It's going to show you how to contact these people if at all possible. But what's really cool that I really loved here, you can see here it's already loading it up, is actually showing you the speed of their websites. And that's going to train you, and I'm going to train you also in Local Video Jackpot, how to help them speed up their websites even further so that you can sell them a service. Okay, there's a whole bunch of services that I go over in Local Video Jackpot that you can sell to these businesses. Okay, and if I recall correctly, plumber is actually one of the videos that you get. You get basically ready-made custom-made videos that you can sell to these businesses. I've sold them for hundreds of dollars a piece. You can sell them. I show you how to customize them in about 5 to 10 minutes of work. Super easy. You sell them to these businesses, and you can make serious money from this. Not to mention the fact that you've also got a whole list of campaigns here. You can actually put together a campaign inside of the software to actually go ahead and send out an email to these people saying, hey, I see you have a website. This is what I can do to help you to make it even better. So let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Yes, I am giving a tip of my hat to the product creator. Brendan, nice work. It's a beautiful software. It works very, very well. Love the sales page, although I'm still not sure why you have that, was it a rhino or elephant or whatever it is on the front page. That's kind of weird, but whatever. Bottom line, though, great software, works nicely. And I've tested a lot of these kinds of software. A lot of them don't work very well. This one seems to be very, very smooth, works nicely. So, yeah, go ahead and grab it. You really can't go wrong. You're going to love it.